Beamer Tech crew, how's it going? Chazzarelli here. We're at Ace Cafe at BMW Night. Check out some of the footage of the cars that showed up.
And that about wraps it up, guys. If you're looking to connect with us, hit us up on social media. And don't forget to check out the links in the description to see more from our blogs. And if you'd like us to help you, and you're local in Orlando, pay us a visit. Or go online to our website where you can find the nearest certified Beamer Tech installer. And more from us here at Beamer Tech, where we can help you get your BMW perfected. Once again, guys, my name is Chaz. I really appreciate you for taking your time to watch. If you've got any questions, just let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for the latest videos from here at the shop. See you next time.